The Superintendence of Industry and Commerce, as part of the National Subsystem for Quality Assurance, is one of the best legal metrology offices in Latin America because we conduct surveillance activities, regulate, verify, control, innovate, certify, and protect. The Legal Metrology Working Group is part of the Deputy Superintendents for the Control and Verification of Legal Metrology and Technical Regulations. This working group monitors and controls weights and measures of products in the market. To achieve that end, they inspect measurement instruments, such as full dispensers and scales. They also check pre-packed products. All equipment and measurement patterns used in these activities are calibrated by the Colombian National Metrology Institute in order to guarantee the required traceability. We are in charge of monitoring critical sectors of the Colombian market, such as food, cleaning products, foods, liquors, drugs, among others. Another of our functions is the metrological control over stations of compressed natural gas for vehicles and over full wholesale plants. Thanks to the issuance of Law 1512 of 2012, Colombia ratified the Metro Convention and thereby formalized its membership to the International Organization of Legal Metrology. Since then, we have participated in different events with metrology authorities from around the world, gathering experiences and knowledge that allowed us to create and implement a new surveillance model. Thanks to this, the SIC supervises and controls all measuring instruments subject to metrological control. Considering this experience, we were able to elaborate two technical regulations, one for non-automatic weighing instruments, or NAWI, and another for full dispensers. Both of them were issued in 2016. During their issuance, Colombia adopted the international standards defined by OIML. For 2017, it is expected to issue a technical metrological regulation applicable to evidential breath analyzers or evidential ethylometers, as well as the technical metrological regulation applicable to electronic taximeters. Considering the lack of economic, technical, and human resources that some metrological control authorities face when developing their activities, the SIC, in accordance with law, designated Authorized Metrological Verification Bodies, OAVM for its acronym in Spanish, to support this entity and the major offices of municipalities in the metrological verification of measuring instruments. The OAVMs were selected through a contest in which their technical skills and financial capacity were evaluated. Once designated, they were required to obtain accreditation from the Colombian National Accreditation Body, ONAC, before starting operations. It should be noted that the owners of the measuring instruments pay the OAVM's metrological verification activities. This enables the SIC to increase metrological verification activities without incurring in additional costs. Currently, OAVMs are consolidated in a database with information of all the measuring instruments that are being used in activities subject to metrological control. This information will be incorporated to the Legal Metrology Information System, CIMEL for its acronym in Spanish, which is managed by the SIC, to later verify them metrologically and guarantee accurate measurements for Colombian consumers and citizens. In a not-too-distant future, we will consider the designation of OAVMs to verify net content of pre-packed products, among other purposes. CIMEL enables an efficient and effective coordination of the metrological control activities through the processing and administration of measuring instruments data. It also gathers information about the activities of the OAVMs and the repeaters of measuring instruments. This tool is fundamental to take advantage of the verification activities performed by the OAVMs, since it optimizes the administration of the information. This allows us to focus our inspection, control, and surveillance activities on relevant matters and sectors. With the mass and volume calibration laboratories, which were certified by the National Accreditation Body, ONAC, we provide technical and economic support to the major offices in their activities of control of weights and measures, calibrating free of charge all equipment of metrological control. The Legal Metrological Control in Colombia is in charge of the Superintendents of Industry and Commerce and the municipal and district mayor's offices. However, these latter entities do not have sufficient economic and technical capacity to carry out this work. For all these reasons, we firmly believe that Colombia deserves the OIML award. It would recognize the coordinated efforts of different Colombian entities involved in quality assurance, in highlighting and prioritizing the implementation of legal metrology activities for the benefit of Colombian consumers. Moreover, we believe that Colombia's experience can motivate other Latin American countries to implement legal metrology controls, which in turn can contribute to the promotion and development of their economies.